your whistle?
No, it's not mine. Where did you find it?
I found it under the mango tree.
It must be Robin's.
Hi Robin, what is the matter? Why do you look so sad?
I have lost my whistle.
Don't worry, look at this. Is this your whistle?
Oh yes, it is mine. Thank you very much.